Hello everyone, welcome. This is your fifth chapter, Windows Forms, text boxes, rich text boxes, labels and link labels. Aligning text in a rich text box. So first of all you can set the selection alignment property to one of the following values. Selection alignment property of rich text box to the following values to align text in a rich text box. So first one is horizontal alignment left. So this is default. The paragraph is aligned along the left of the margin. Okay, so horizontal alignment right, the paragraph is aligned along the right on the alignment, right on the margin. And horizontal alignment center, the paragraph is centered between left and right margins. So we have three alignment, that is left, right and center. So creating rich text boxes in code. Already we have seen how to create text boxes in code, and this is rich text boxes in code. So private sub button 1 click. So button 1's click event, when you click button 1, it will create a text box, rich text box. So first of all, dim rich text box 1 as new rich text box. First of all, we should declare a rich text box, that is rich text box 1. Rich text box 1 dot size equal to new size 150/100, and location new point 70/20, and rich text box dot text equal to hello from Visual Basic. Me dot controls dot add rich text box 1. Okay, so this is how to create a rich text box in code. And here itself you are giving the text also, that is hello from Visual Basic. Okay, already you have seen in the previous example how to create a text box using the toolbox, and you can enter values at runtime also, and while designing the rich text, the form also, you can enter you can fill the text of property of rich text box, and here it is in creating rich text box in code. So using labels instead of text boxes, already you have shown how to use labels. Label is just like text boxes, but the difference is text boxes can be edited at runtime, but labels cannot. Okay, so there are several advantages to using labels instead of text boxes in Visual Basic program. Labels display read-only text. So labels display read-only text, and or else you can make the text boxes read-only by setting the read-only property to true, and they give the appearance of text directly on the form. This can look much better than a text box on occasion. For example, you might want to display the result of calculation in label instead of a text box, so the user can't edit the result. So in fact, you can make text boxes and labels resemble each other. To make a text box look like a label, set the rich text boxes back color property to control. Set the text boxes back color property to control, so it will look like a label. And you set this property in the properties window, its read-only property to true. Okay, the read-only property of text box to true and back color property to control, so then it will look like a label. And one more thing is its border style property to none. To make a label look like a text box, set its back color property to window and its border style property to fixed 3D. So it will look like a text box. So now formatting text in labels. When you add labels to a form, you can make the label match the text size by setting the auto size property to true. You can also format the text in a label with the font property, setting it to a font object. So you can format text in labels using the font object or a font property. Aligning text in labels. So you can align text in labels. The property text align property, you can set the text align property to these enumerations. See, first one is see the content alignment enumeration. Okay, to align the text in a label. So first one is bottom center, vertically aligned at the bottom and horizontally aligned at the center. Bottom left, vertically aligned at the bottom and horizontally aligned on the left. Bottom right, vertically aligned at the bottom and horizontally aligned at on the right. Middle center, vertically aligned in the middle and horizontally aligned at the center. Middle left, vertically aligned in the middle and horizontally aligned on the left. Middle right, vertically aligned in the middle and horizontally aligned on the right. Top center, vertically aligned at the top and horizontally aligned at the center. And top left, vertically aligned at the top and horizontally aligned at the left. Top right, vertically aligned at the top and horizontally aligned on the right. So these are the enumeration or for aligning text in labels. See, you can test all these options practically. So now handling label events. Labels have events like click and double click. Already we have used button once click event, and see here labels click event. See, here is an example of a double click event of a label. See, private sub label 1 double click. When you double click the label 1, label.text equal to quit clicking me. So it will display the text quit clicking me. Okay, so far you have used the labels or any other controls click event, but here you can use double click event also. So the label has click and double click event. So now the link labels, they are the labels that support hyperlinks. Okay, so link labels are the labels that support hyperlinks. So let us see one example. See, this is the link label. I have a rich text box here. A rich text box. Okay, and I'm just setting the text of a rich text box to search here. And I am adding one link label here. See, this is label and this is link label. See, it shows like hyperlink underlined A. So this is the link label 1. The text, I am changing the text of link label to Google. So this link label is a hyperlink now. If you double click it, see the double click event, link label 1, link label 1, link clicked event. So I'm just writing google.com. See, it is become a link and it will redirect you to Google. See, system.diagnostic.process.start. There you will have to write the URL. And here I have written www.google.com, and link label 1.link visited should be true. So now I am changing it to, you can change to any URL, svs.com. So when you click that link label, it should redirect you to the page. So it is loading the page. See, there is some connection error. See the address bar www.svs.com. It is leading you to the path svs.com, the address svs.com, but because of some network problem, it is not displaying the page. Okay. So the link labels are those labels that support hyperlinks. Creating a link label. So you can create a link label just as you would create a label by dragging one onto Windows form and entering text onto its text property. The difference here is that you also can add hyperlinks. You do that by clicking the link area property in the properties window and clicking the ellipse button that appears to open the link area editor you see in link area editor. So you can also set link color, visited link color and active link color properties to set the colors of the hyperlink. See, I have used the link area property. The link label has link area property where you can write the path, but I have written in the code itself, but while designing the form, there itself the control gives its properties. There also you can specify the path name using the link area property, but the link color, it gives more properties like link color, visited link color and active link color properties. So when that hyperlink is clicked, the link label raises link clicked event. Just we have seen in the program, example program, link labels to navigate to some website. So Coriolis website, www.coriolis.com. When the user clicks the hyperlink in our link label, I can do that in the link clicked event handler using the system.diagnostic.process.start method. Okay, so see the example here. Link label one's link clicked event, and there you will have to write the code handles link label 1. So handles link label 1 link clicked. Okay, link label 1 link visited equal to true, and the path name is www.coriolis.com, and in the example I just used www.google.com, and any website or any path name you can write, but in the using system.diagnostic.process.start. Okay. So creating a link label in code. So first of all you have to declare object link label 1 as link label 1. See, private with events link label 1 as link label 1. Okay, that also using with events you will have to declare it. Create an object of link label, that is we are creating object link label 1 using with event to allow this link label to perform certain events. So, this is the code to create link label. Button 1's click event. So, when you click button 1, it should create a link label. Link label 1 equal to new link label, link label 1 dot auto size equal to true, link label 1 location equal to new point, the point to locate the link label, and size new size, and the text interested in black books, click here to see them all. Link label 1 dot links dot add info, link label 1 dot links dot add www.coloris.com. See, we have two links here. We have added two links, info and Coriolis. Okay, there are two links. So now linking to another form, that is link label 1's link clicked event. Okay, see the code to link to another form. Link label 1 dot links, link label 1 links index of e dot link visited equal to true. If e dot link data to string equal to info, then dim info window as new form 2 info window dot show. Okay, so already we first of all we should create form 1, and in that we are creating the link, and linking we are creating the link label, and while clicking that link label it should redirect to another form. Okay, so here we are navigating to form 2. For that we should create form 2. Already we have created form 1 in which we have created link label, and we should create form 2. See here, dim info window as new form 2. Okay, so that means info window is a new form, that is form 2, and our form 2 the name is info window. The object we are creating for form 2, that is info window, and info window dot show, that is it will show the form 2. Okay, form 2 will be containing the info. That means, for example, in hyperlink, if you click svs.com, then it will take you to the SVS form, isn't it? So, if you click the info, see here in our example, we have two links, that is info and Coriolis.com. Okay, so when you click this info, it will take you to form 2. See here, if e.link data to string equal to info, then so if the user clicks the info link, then it should open, or it should display form 2, in which all the information are shown. Okay, this is how to link to another form.